Welcome to the Daily Jing for Wednesday, January 30th. Let's look at the schedule. Scroll down and you can see that, sorry, this is Wednesday of week 1. Start the reader analysis paper. Click on that to start reading Hofstadter. Start the view and do's. There are 2 view and do's here that you have to do. One is a how-to view and do, and the other is the introduction to the course view and do. Okay, so when are these due? They're posted as due on Friday, both the view and dues and the one-page description. And then on Friday you'll start the reader analysis paper overview, view and do. Okay, it's not the actual paper, but reading the assignment and telling us in your response, in your 300-word response, what the assignment was about. Okay, so people have been asking when do I want these due during the day on any particular time? Well, the view and dues, like all the other assignments in the course, are marked due in the schedule and are finally due by the next course day before 6 a.m. So if you look at Fridays, which we were just looking at, it says do, view and do how to, and 0.1 introduction to the course. They are both due on Friday or finally by 6 a.m. on Monday. So anything that's due in a particular course slot, if it's due on Monday, for instance, it will be finally due on Tuesday by 6 a.m. And for each of the view and do's, there are 2 parts, view and do, something to view and something to do. So you need to view the text on the page and listen to the screencast video. The do part has to do with writing something. The first several view and do's ask you to just write a gist. A gist could be 2 or 3 sentences. Okay. While most of the other view and do's will require you to write at least 300 words. Each of these posts are to be submitted into the Dropbox comment box for each assignment. The how-to view and do explains how to set up posting into the comment box. Okay, so make sure that you pay attention to the how-to view and do and also the introduction to the course view and do. But you have to post a gist for each one of those. And I described that here when I have this little asterisk that says further notes. View and do's marked with the asterisk are procedural, so you need only to acknowledge that you have looked at them by writing a short summary or gist. All the other view and do's, you should write a one-page reflection, which is 300 words. Okay, so the question of the day is, when are things finally due? And they're finally due by 6 a.m. on the following school day. Okay, thanks.